Hello everyone, I'm just standing here having a nice chilled glass of wine because today's video is very important. I'm going to talk about alcohol consumption, where it deals with skin and acne and so on. Aging skin as well. But for today, we're going to talk about acne since it's Acne Awareness Month, and I will do another video on this particular subject later on about alcohol and its overall impact on skin. But today I wanted to talk about this question that I get about, does beer, alcohol, all of those types of things impact my skin, impact my acne? Now this is obviously, for those of you in the US, if you're over 21, this is a conversation we should be having. If you're under 21, this is not a conversation we should be having. So what I would like to say about alcohol is that yes, it does impact your skin. It certainly impacts your acne breakouts. You know, acne is an inflammatory disease. We know that it's inflammation plus bacteria plus clogged pores plus your body's reaction to all of that is what creates the acne disease. Whether that's cystic acne, nodules, small pimples, small breakouts, alcohol can have a vast impact on that, because what your body does is it takes alcohol and it turns it into sugar. And sugar is going to be the subject of the very next video that I do for this month, and its impact on your skin and particularly on acne. So yes, alcohol has a large impact on your skin. If you're having adult acne breakouts, think about this. Alcohol has impact on your immune system. It can depress your immune system, which is part of the response to what your skin does to protect you from the environment, whether that's rashes, acne, contact dermatitis. Those are all types of skin inflammation. Well, alcohol increases the propensity of inflammation in your body. It reduces the impact of your immune system. And so when the alcohol is processed out of your body, your immune system can come roaring back, and it can make those breakouts worse, certainly so. So since the body treats alcohol like sugar, and we know sugar has an impact on the glycemic index in your blood. And we've noticed from studies going back to 2010, really 2008, where glycemic index, the higher a person's blood sugar becomes, the more impactful it is on their breakouts. I learned this and talked about it in the first book I wrote on this subject, that I was a heavy candy bar, not Diet Coke, I do that today, but heavy candy bar, regular Coca-Cola soft drink teenager into my young adulthood. That's what I used. It gave me a big boost of energy. We have all these sugary energy drinks today, same thing. Well, I cut those things out of my diet and my skin improved dramatically. So I learned years ago there was a direct impact between sugar and skin. Well, alcohol is the same thing. If your body is taking the alcohol and turning it into sugar to process it, it's raising your glycemic index, which can have a direct impact on your blood sugar and what happens with your acne. So one of the things I would recommend, if you drink and you're having problems with your skin, you're having more rosacea problems, eczema, psoriasis, and acne, try cutting the alcohol out for a month. I'm a big believer in taking food and drink vacations. Take those things out of your diet for 30 days and see what the impact is for yourself. Guarantee you're going to see a difference. And again, I'm going to do another video that talks about alcohol's role in skin health overall and aging, because we have found in studies over the last 5 to 6 years that the alcohol use, particularly heavy alcohol use, has a great dramatic effect on collagen production, how long it lasts, how well it works for you. And we already know that over drinking alcohol creates these little tiny broken blood vessels in your skin. And we're going to talk about that too in the next video. If you like what you heard today, please subscribe, comment, ask me questions. That way we can have a conversation, and check out my blog, Skin So Fabulous, because there's a whole lot of information that we're putting into that blog that can be at your fingertips. You don't have to wait for videos from me. You can get that information every day if you want to. So stay tuned, more is coming, and we will talk to you soon.